What's up, business buddies? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is email, LinkedIn, 3 follow-up. Meaning that you will engage first on email, fall back using LinkedIn if they haven't replied. And this sequence is perfect if your audience is quite active on email. And these are the actions that will be applied. You can choose the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Next, a plan will show up, and we made it easier for you to understand more this template, and you can follow the steps in a simple way. Next, you're gonna add your prospects. You can either choose all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next step is the email finder. Of course, if you want to reach out to your prospect via email, you always need to use his professional email. Next is the conditional statement. If the email found within 5 days, an email will be sent next. Select your email account, tap your email subject and your message body. Next, you're gonna choose the delay between your first email and the second email. Next, you're gonna type your second email. Select your email account, type your email subject and your message body. Next thing is an invitation will be sent. And then there is another conditional statement. If your prospect accepts the invitation within 5 days, and of course you can change the delay depending on your option. If the prospect accepts your invitation, you're gonna choose the delay you want between the moment your prospect accepts your invitation and your message. Type your message, click on next. If the condition was the prospect didn't accept the invitation within 5 days, then an email will be sent instead. Select your email account, type your email subject, your email body, your message body, click on next. Now we're gonna move to the condition if the email wasn't found within 5 days. Then an invitation will be sent. You're gonna choose the delay between the moment your prospect accepts your invitation and the message that will be sent. Type your message. Next, you're gonna choose the delay between your first message and your second message. Type your second message. Now you're gonna choose the delay between the second message and the third message. You're gonna type your final message, click on next, and here you go. Your campaign is created.